Welcome to our first Välinge Connect online session. Välinge Connect is our commitment to sharing our innovations and helping partners unlock their full potential. Today we will recap Domotex and Ties and share our latest news. We will also share exclusive market insight about the future of the flooring industry. I am sat here with Carl Philip. Welcome to the studio.
Thank you very much.
Tell us a little bit about what you do at Välinge.
Sure. I'm managing the business development department for our flooring technologies.
All right. And you attended both Domotex and Ties this year. Could you tell us about your impressions from the shows?
Absolutely. So both Domotex and Ties were really great for Välinge, and we had a strong interest from the participants at both the fairs. And the fairs in general is a key meeting point for us, where we have the possibility to meet and connect with the international flooring industry. And it's also a great opportunity for us to showcase our technologies to our partners throughout the value chain. It's a really good opportunity to both go through the technologies, but also the support we can offer in order to help them succeed in their business going forward.
That's great. Välinge is known for being a frontrunner when it comes to flooring technology innovation. Could you tell us more about what we launched at the shows?
Absolutely. Typically we launch something new at each fair, and no exception this year. We had our brand new locking system called 5G HP1, which is a one-panel locking system for herringbone installations. Applied with our 5G technology, makes it super fast and easy to install. Also possible to dismantle with our dismantling pin if you need to rearrange the patterns and so on. So really strong interest from our participants for this technology, and a nice product.
All right, nice. Was there anything else?
Yeah, we also had a new technology within our surface technologies called Wood Powder Laminate, which is a new way of building up laminate flooring, making them both more stronger and robust. But the technology also enables deeper embossing and more structure in the panels. So it's a really cool technology, I would say.
All right, interesting. Thank you so much for joining us. Let's hear from Rickard about Wood Powder Laminate.
Hi, my name is Rickard Rittinge. I work with R&D at Välinge Surface Technologies department. Wood powder laminate is one of Välinge's surface technologies. Other technologies more known to customers are Woodura and Nadura. In wood powder laminate, we combine powder and paper to produce laminate products with deep embossing and improved technical performance. The new resin can replace melamine and formaldehyde in existing products and production processes. There are several advantages with this new resin. The resin and curing process is water-free, less brittle with improved technical properties. It can be tailor-made to better fit the intended product. It's more stable in different climates, there's less need of balancing layer, larger formats and installation areas are possible. If you think this sounds interesting, don't hesitate to contact us.
Thank you so much, Rickard, and welcome Iris to the studio.
Thank you.
Could you tell us a little bit about what you do at Välinge?
Yes, I'm the Americas regional manager. So in this region, we work with producers, importers, distributors. It's a little bit different from other regions because in other regions like Asia, we work mostly with producers, but this is a consumer's market as well. So it's big importance to that other part of the value chain.
All right. And at the end of last year, you initiated a survey about the future expectations for the flooring industry.
Yeah.
Could you tell us some more about the survey?
Yeah, so I mean, we are an innovation company, and it's very important for us to get a lot of market insights. We do have teams all over the world. We have teams in China, in Vietnam, here in Sweden, in the United States, in South America. But we still would like to get also comments from our partners or from people in the industry as well. Not only what we get in-house, but also comments and the thoughts of all the companies and all over the world. So we thought it would be very interesting to ask about the key aspects. It's been very challenging and disruptive times, so we thought it would be good to ask what are they expecting.
Yeah. What types of companies responded?
It was a big mix of all types of companies across the value chain. So we had answers from producers in different regions. We had answers from importers, distributors, retailers, even installers,
Okay.
and flooring installing associations and so on. So it was a real big mix.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah.
Are there any interesting insights to share?
Yeah, I mean, we learned, which we also expected a little bit from our side, but there was a very stable market condition, so plus minus 2%.
Okay.
So after all these challenging times, and it's been going up and down and so on, now we feel it's more stabilized.
Okay.
Then they had, or most of them thought it was quite challenging. Due to higher prices of the goods as well.
Okay.
So a lot of competition with the pricing. And it was it's hard. It's a competition. It's a big competition market at the moment.
Yeah.
So, it's not easy. So that's one of the highest challenges.
Were there any specific flooring categories that were gaining momentum?
I think the resilient keeps gaining momentum, and that was also what most respondents thought. So
Okay.
SPC, WPC was still the biggest category, followed by laminate and then wood as well. So those three. But there was a clear higher percentage on the resilient category.
All right. Are companies willing to adopt new technologies considering the market?
I think that with the challenging times and the price competition being really tough, companies are very willing to adopt technologies. That's what's going to differentiate them. So that's important. That's important for them actually.
And you think it's because they want to differentiate their offer that they are adopting
exactly.
or willing to?
Exactly.
Okay.
So on the price point, it's very hard, and they are looking at let's do it with innovation in performance or innovation in different aspects that they see that their consumers are interested in. So definitely.
All right. Are there any specific innovations that they're looking for?
Yes, there was. Most people thought that easy installation was very relevant.
Okay.
I think with the decrease of professional installers and the high prices for those type of services, that's a very important part of it. So most people were commenting on that. And then number 2 was wear resistance as well. So micro scratch, macro scratch, like scratch resistance, and also water resistance was in the top 3.
All right.
And moisture. So those top were mentioned.
Anything else to add?
Yeah, we did see that sustainability is gaining a lot of momentum. A lot of companies are trying to really work on the sustainability aspect, and we didn't see that a couple of years ago. So that topic is also on top of everyone's mind.
How does Välinge respond to this?
Well, for us, it's really important to get all these insights from the market. We are an innovation company, so we need to get market insights to develop in the right direction as well. And also with these innovations that we create here, we help our licensees, which are producers all over the world, to create and to produce products with some unique selling points that are going to be interesting for the buyers. So it's very important.
Do you think that these surveys are something that we'll continue to do?
Yeah, I mean, I think it's something we should do at least once a year. And it's, of course, for internal use, but we love to share the market intelligence with the whole flooring industry and grow all of us in a good direction.
Yeah, great. And if you watching this are interested in the survey and the report that we did based on the data, then please contact us and we will send it to you. Thank you so much, Iris.
Thank you, Lynn. I mean, it's great always to keep getting information, so I encourage people in the industry to get to us, to come by us when we are at exhibitions and keep feeding us with information so we can keep developing and innovating.
Yeah. So up next for Välinge will be at Domotex Asia this May in Shanghai and also at Domotex Southeast Asia in Bangkok in November. So please meet us there.